Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to change your name on TikTok. So first, just open your TikTok application, your device.
Can hear me knock 3
And then click
times.
on your
Why
profile
three
icon at the bottom right
times?
corner of your screen. This one. And then tap on edit profile. Okay. This one. Okay. Right, and then now you can see here your name, so just click on it. Okay, so as you can see here, our current name is tutorial. So let us think about another name. So I think example is the best name that I can change for now. Okay, so your nickname can only be changed once every 7 days, so be sure to use it. So now you can save, tap on save, and then confirm it. Now you can see, now you can also change your username. You just click on username, and then type out the username that you want to use in your TikTok account. So that's it. Now you can see here that your name has changed at that top corner. Okay, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.